Every year, thousands of pilgrims undertake this journey to the Basilica of Born Jesus. This is their story.
Hello everyone, I'm Roshanh. I'm a Jesuit novice. I belong to Gujarat Jesuit province. Here I am to share with you all my pilgrimage experience. It was a beautiful experience. It was also an enriching experience. It was also a challenging experience. Amidst all these challenges, I found God was working with me. God was working with me. When I look back to this experience, I find I was very precious in God's sight. When I look at back all this experience, I feel very important, very precious. If I put it in other words, I found God's providence with me. When I was working, God was walking with me. As the song goes, footsteps walking with me. I found God was walking with me. As novices, we were not supposed to have any money with us, no mobile phones, no calls. So we would go and ask for food, we would go and ask for shelter. So whenever we asked anything, we were given everything. So it was a beautiful and challenging experience. At times there were also challenges where I was tempted. I felt I would ask for lift and go back to my destination. At times also I was getting pain and all, so I was very tempted. But rosaries, the prayers, the generosity of the people made me strong and walk further, and I could walk further. So when I look back to this experience, this was very beautiful experience, one of my best experience in life, I would say.